Hi, welcome to Miniezhhops behind the scene videos with myself, Elizabeth, and today I will show you how I secure eye hooks to my ornaments and my charms. And then I'll show you how I make the charms. Let's get to it. All right, take your unbaked sculpture. Don't bake it yet. We'll bake it after we put in the little charm eye hook. And take an eye hook. This is my nicely organized bag of eye hooks. And I'm gonna take a long one, though I have smaller ones, just to show you how to cut it. You'll need a smoothing tool. It can be any sort of tool, a potter's needle, a toothpick, anything like that. And it would be helpful to have some pliers. You can do any sort of pliers or tweezers. Some scissors or little wire cutters, or even an X-Acto knife. We'll take our little eye hook, and what we're gonna do is we wanna put it about halfway into our little sculpture. And I'll show you a trick I use to keep them locked in place. We're gonna line it up, mark with our finger about where the halfway point is. We're just going to bend it. Trim it just barely where that turn is, right about here. You can just take normal scissors also. You don't need wire cutters because this is a really thin wire. Find the center of your little sculpture and press it into there. Just hold it and press it till it's right about here. Then you can take it and twist the eye hook about 90 degrees so that it locks into place. So that little bend is now locked into the clay. So when the charm pulls at the top, then it will be stuck. Afterwards, take your sculpting tool and just smooth that little hole right there, you see? Smooth it nice and snug to the eye pin so that it won't wiggle around. But make sure the eye pin circle isn't buried in the clay because we'll need to open it up again later to put our lobster clasp in it. Okay, once you have it like that, you can go ahead and bake it for whatever your clay directions say to bake it at, and then I will show you how to attach the lobster clasp portion. Once your sculpture is baked and cooled, take a little lobster clasp if you're turning it into a charm, and your pliers. Open up this little portion where the two metals meet so we can slide this little hook into there and then close it back up again with your pliers. This is easier with narrower pliers, but these are the ones I have right now. So that's how you make it into a charm. Other options are attaching some string for an ornament or even to like a little chain for a necklace. There's a bunch of things that you can do. Whatever you do, I'd love to see. So feel free to send a photo. I can feature them at the end of a future video. And it's my favorite part of these videos, seeing what you guys make. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful and have fun. Have a good day. Bye.